Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I want to show you my latest finished diamond painting. Christmas tree. Took me 4 days to do this one. Now put some sparkly AB drills on here. Sorry, the camera doesn't pick it up. Okay, so I'm getting ready to cut off this whole border. Then I'm going to put it in my portfolio. Can't see no sparkle. But I see it cutting up. So, I've already prepped for my next diamond painting. So I'm going to cut this. Let me lower this. Y'all can see what I'm doing. And I've already, sealed it. Even though I put them in a book, I seal my diamond paintings because I worked too hard on this for these diamonds to be popping off. So ain't nothing coming off. So it's sealed. Let me lower this. That's what I was doing. Okay, save. Cutting it as close as possible so none of the white border shows, because it's going to be on a black background and that white border would look kind of messy. So I always choose to get the 30 by 40 diamond paintings. First of all, because it's a manageable size. I don't want nothing too big. And I don't want nothing smaller than this because the picture won't show up good. That's what I've been told. If you get something too small, the painting will be very pixelated. So it won't be a nice picture. And I don't want nothing bigger than this. I've seen some that I like that are bigger. Excuse me. But I'm not going to buy them because this is the perfect size for me. And plus this fits in my portfolio book. I'm going to show y'all that I've already kitted up my next diamond painting. And I'll show y'all the picture of my next diamond painting. And I'll show y'all something I've added to my light pad so my arm won't accidentally hit the off on button and turn the light pad off. I read reviews about the light covers, and people were saying that they cover up part of the light pad and they come off when the light pad is on for a while because the light pad gets kind of warm. Well, mine has been on for several days now, haven't had a problem. And I researched a size that would fit my particular light pad, so it's not covering up part of the screen. Okay. border. Oh, something else I did. I bought this roller. It's called a brayer. So I put the plastic covering on there, and then I just rolled it, and I heard some of the beads popping into place. But I had the plastic over it so the beads wouldn't pop up and stick to this. So now it's ready. Be put in my portfolio. So far I have done 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 5th diamond painting. And I think I've been doing this maybe 3 weeks. I'm just going to slide it in here. I have a top loading portfolio. Just stick it in there. And it has black construction paper in there. Okay, I'm going to start from the beginning. I'm going to show y'all this every time I do a painting, y'all. Show y'all everything. That's my very first one. Pretty. That's my second one. Different colored trees. This is my third one. Happy snowman. And I make these my own, y'all. I put the bling in this drills on here I can find. This is my 4th one. Van Gogh's Starry Night. And my 5th one. Christmas tree. Okay, so I enjoy doing these, and I'm not going to put them on the wall because I got my other artwork on the wall. Ain't no more room, y'all. So, this is my latest picture that I'm going to do. It's like trees and flowers and waterfall. Like that. So I haven't started on it yet. But this is what I was talking about these light pad light covers. See that? I got 2, that and that. I stuck them on here with some glue dots that they added. So that raises up. See that? And so you can turn it on and turn it off. And this one, I put it on that way so I can dim the light or make it brighter. And these are on here good. They've been stuck on here for maybe 3 or 4 days now. I'll put the link to these. And as you can see, these don't cover up my light pad at all. The screen where the painting is supposed to go, they fit perfectly in this black border. Okay? What I did different from other people who said it goes all into the screen, they didn't get the right size. I got the 16 millimeter size. So that's the smallest. That's the smallest I've seen. It goes from 16 millimeters to I think 22 millimeters. So if you get a 22 millimeter and you got a little bitty border, a skinny border like this, it's going to take up screen space, and you don't want that. So I want to show y'all that, and show y'all that I've already kitted up for my new diamond painting. And by that I mean I took the colors, the beads, and put them in numbered containers. Okay, I number my containers according to the numbers on the diamond painting. There's a number key on here and color coded to the number. So when I want to do like a number 1, I just grab number 1 and the color is right. That's what I do. And I found that this is my favorite drill tray. And I use this. Y'all know them little soft pencil, diamond painting pen things. Well, I cut this. A little squishy thing. And I just put it there. When I straighten out my diamonds, I shake them like that, they're not coming out that way. I saw another YouTuber do that. And this here, it came with the kit, is wonderful. This funnel, first I was thinking how cheap it was, how cheap it appeared. Nice. Because I'll show you. When I'm kitting up, putting the beads in here, this actually, see, this stays in here. So you can cut open the bead package, put it in there. And then make sure you swab around in there good to get all the beads out. Then go on to the next one, according to what number you want. So that's how I do. I have no problem. So we'll leave a link to this. This is actually an Art Dot storage case. Okay. It zips all the way around. Got the zip on each side. Y'all see this pin in here? I got a straight pin. See that? I just keep it in here. That's what I clean my drills out with. You stick the pin in there and clean all the old wax out with this pin. So I just leave it right there, and it's stuck in the fabric. It's out of the way, but it's handy. So what else can I tell y'all? That's it. And like I've numbered all my containers, and if I want to change a number, sometimes you'll have so many beads of one color that they'll have like 2 number 12s. So I just take an alcohol wipe and wipe the number off, because I use a Sharpie, and Sharpie wipes off with alcohol on this type of container. So I will leave a 10% off coupon code if you like this storage case, and it comes with a lot of stuff. I have a video about this. And what else can I tell you? That's it, y'all. So basically I'll leave a link to the case, to the light covers right here, and also the light pad itself. It's nice. I did a video about it, and it has a built-in stand. I rarely use the stand, and I might as well leave a link for this portfolio. It holds 30 by 40 diamond paintings and smaller, so I'll just stick with that size. It's a nice doable size, and I won't get overwhelmed. And this is the sealer that I use. I got the one with the 2 bottles. That's how it looks. And it has a sponge applicator top. You just squeeze the stuff on the painting, and then just rub the sponge over it evenly. Then squeeze some more out, rub the sponge on there. And the brayer. I was surprised that I actually heard the beads popping into place as I was rolling the beads. But like I said, if you're going to do that, keep the plastic on there. Don't just roll it on top of the beads. Alright. So I'm going to hold up my newest diamond painting. I haven't even started on, but I did all the kitting up. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And y'all have a blessed day. Bye.